You tell someone, I'm gonna call you back in 5 minutes, stay there. Where have you gone?
Your body, oh. Take your time, your body, oh. You give me sweet wine, your body, oh. Drop it low, your body, oh. You give me feels when you're dancing, Angela. Run up and romancing, Angela.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's bracking? If you're returning, if you are new, hi, my name is Alison, aka Life of Ours. I make cool, fun, beauty, lifestyle, fashion content. I want to be blooming, but beauty and lifestyle hair content. And today I'm coming at you guys with this body wave realness, showing you guys how I achieved this install featuring Asteria hair. You like, and it's glueless, no glue, no GOT2B spray. I feel like in America they say glueless, and what they mean is that you don't use like bold hold. When I say glueless, I mean no spray, no GOT2B, no nothing. So yeah. I mean, the trick to glueless for me that I've noticed is just making sure the cap size fits you properly. That's it. And if your cap, the wig doesn't fit you snug, put a thick elastic band on it. Like put an elastic band on your wig so that it like hugs. So the lace is basically hugging your forehead so that it melts without you having to put glue on. That's the trick. But you know, I think I kind of go into that in the video anyway. So yeah. Should warn you guys, in the video, for some reason, I'm still gonna put the clips in because it's showing the process of how I install it and how I cut the layers and stuff into it. But the wig was like here. It's meant to be here. So just, as you can see, I fixed it in the end, but the wig was quite far back, so we're just gonna ignore that. Don't know what I was playing at. I think I have this weird thing where sometimes, like, anyways, I don't even know what I was doing, but yeah, I feel like if I had glued the wig down, I would have clocked that the wig was too far back, but you know, it's just, we're here now. We're here with some blended goodness, so you know, I can't complain. Yeah, what else is there to say? But yeah, I want you to see how I achieved this luscious look that we have here, and I will see you guys on the flip side being the rest of this video. Keep watching. Let's slap on this bad boy. This wig is tight in a good way. Like, this wig actually fits because I have a small head. I don't think my head looks bigger on camera. I have actually a very, very small head, and wigs always come up big. And I asked for a small cap size, and looks like a small cap size is what I bloody got, mate. The hair back a bit so I can have an idea of what I'm doing. Obviously I'm doing a middle part today. Let's clean that up. So before I cut the, should I cut the lace? Yeah, let me cut the lace now. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut the lace. Because the cap size is actually like tight, like a small cap size like it's supposed to be, this lace is actually sticking to my forehead like perfectly. Look, I haven't even glued it. So I think for this install, I'm not gonna glue this. So the trick for glueless is to make sure that your cap size, or you've got an elastic band that's sewn on that's really, not tight, obviously you don't want to squeeze your brains out, but that's snug to the point where it's actually forcing the lace down into your, I'm making this sound really painful. You want to make sure that the cap size is really snug to the point where it's like really like fitting the lace onto your, this sounds really wrong. Basically the lace needs to be proper pressed onto your head, but it's not in a painful like headachy type of way. Cool. I keep getting hair in my mouth. Alright, cool. Cool, so I'm gonna do my baby hairs from here, to be fair, because yeah. Just gonna pull out what I want to use as baby hairs.
You can feel your body, oh. Take your time, your body, oh. You give me sweet wine, your body, oh. Drop it low, your body, oh. You give me feels when you're dancing.
To get my baby hairs to lay properly, I'm just gonna hot comb them. You should straighten them, but I just can't bother to turn on my straighteners. I'm just gonna hot comb them down just to get them to form easier. I just find this makes a major difference for me. Just straighten out the baby hairs, hot comb them, whatever, just to really get them to be ready to be formed and just lay properly. I find this makes a difference. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Then take my scissors and I cut down diagonally like so. I'm gonna go with my little body moves first.
You give me feels when you're dancing, Angela. Run up and romancing, Angela. Give me love when you're dancing, Angela. I know some nothing, Angela. Move right now, face, Angela. My sweet, sweet Angela. Move right to face, Angela. My sweet, sweet Angela. Dolce Gabbana, y'a rien pour toi, nana. Dolce Gabbana, chérie, y'a rien pour toi. Angela, mon feu, pour des années là. Angela, et pourquoi tu fais ça? Angela, calm down. Mawela, Angela,
cool, let's sort out my closure because, honey, you can't have a rising wig now. That's just not my style. If you see fluff everywhere, it's because I had flipping pampas grass in my room. I threw it in the bin now because it was getting on my nerves. Just shedding everywhere like a bitch. It was pissing me off. Right. Let's get this closure sorted out. Okay, cool. Oh. Taking my Slay Bay wax stick. And I'm just gonna put that on the parting. Press that all out.
Live for your body like a painkiller. What's in my brain with your 8 figure? Let me take your pain away and show you better life. Angela, m'en depuis des années là. Angela, m'ignore pour le bala. You give me feels with your body, yo. Take your time with your body, yo. You give me sweet wine with your body, yo.
Obviously body wave hair in its natural wavy state. I literally just washed it because I dyed it jet black. So what I'm gonna do now is, I don't know if I want to add layers to this or not though. Am I feeling that brave? We will see. Hang on, let me see. Hold on. Don't think I was really meant to cut my hair like this. I cut some layers off camera and I feel like I have to kind of stick with it now. I feel like I have to just make this bit shorter now just to make it match. Yeah, cool. I mean, we're gonna make this work. So I'm gonna curl it anyway. Cool. And then, oh, do you know what? I might as well cut layers into this now that I'm here. So I'm gonna pull some hair from behind, so from my ear point, pull some hair down. Hair with, but I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna take it to about this point. Actually, I don't want it to be too. It's about this point. And you just wanna move the scissors up and down as you're doing it, moving down. Yeah, not bad. Cool. So with this side, same thing. I'm gonna go to about down here. Do the same thing. So just you're gonna move the scissors you can't even see. So as you're putting the hair down, you're gonna be pulling and cutting. So the blow dryer I'm using, the curling wand I'm using is this Remington one. I'll put the link in the description box for this one. Watch him not pick up, even though I told him I'm calling him back. You tell someone, I'm gonna call you back in 5 minutes, stay there. Where have you gone?
You give me feels with your body, oh. Take your time with your body, oh. You give me sweet wine with your body, oh. Drop it low with your body, oh. You give me feels when you're dancing, Angela. Run up and romancing, Angela. Give me love when you're dancing, Angela. I know some bad thing, Angela. You give me feels with your body, oh, Angela. And every time it's a sensima. She wanna ride when she see my Benzema. Boss in my brain, you know. They for your body like a painkiller. Boss in my brain with your ace figure. Let me take your pain away and show you better life. Angela, m'en depuis des années là. Angela, ignore pour le bala. You give me feels with your body, oh. Take your time with your body, oh. You give me sweet wine with your body, oh. Drop it low with your body, oh. You give me feels.
Different. This is the finished look. I've just changed into the top that I'm actually going to be wearing for my pictures today. And I've pulled the wig forward because it was really far back and I don't know why. So this is what the wig actually is supposed to look like. Still haven't glued it down, but it was just really like here and it's meant to be here, and it just looked weird, but now it just looks like how it's supposed to look. This is the finished product. Let me stand up and show you guys. You see that? Show you guys properly. That's what we have here. I think I'm really slaying right now. Well, this is exactly the look I was kind of going for as well, which I'm really happy about. I've actually got exactly what I was after, so I'm really, really, really happy. So the hair is from Asteria hair. It's the body wave texture. Asteria hair are goats in this hair thing. I've actually bought hair from them a long time ago. I think I bought their straight hair 3 years ago. I think I gave that wig away to my cousin who's still rocking it all now, so big up her. It's here, layered and styled. I really, really like this hair. It feels so, this is like real body wave. Like it feels so luscious. Like this is body wave. Like the hair has so much body and flow to it. And I do feel like because it's body wave hair, it does actually curl easier. Like I've actually had this curled now for like an hour or two since I was styling it because I was doing other things and I had to basically reposition the wig. The wig was too far back, and look, the curls are still like pretty much intact. So I didn't even do the pin curl method either. So this is why I really wanted this wig, because although I used to slander body wave hair before, I get the point now. It just curls so much easier. And it's just nice to have a wig that's for curling purposes. Like changing between a straight, like having a straight wig that you curl and straighten is just jarring to me. I'd rather have one wig that I straighten, one wig that I curl. And this is my curling wig, so I'm definitely gonna get into body wave hair way more now. Like I've seen the vision, guys. I've seen it, especially now that I'm into curling my hair and stuff. Onto the specs of the hair. So it's a 5x5 closure, as you can see. Quite wide, you know. I like a good 5x5. I don't know if I can go back to 4x4s, but I think 5x5 is like my minimum thing now. But yeah. So it's quite wide scope. I only do my side baby hairs. I don't really do the whole lifting her hair behind ear thing, so this is good enough for me. 5x5 closure, HD lace. I'm not going back to regular Swiss lace, guys. I can't do it. Once you've done HD lace, guys, I swear to you, you will not go back. Look at the blend, effortless blend, and it's glueless. I haven't even glued this. Like imagine if I glued it, how it'd melt. Look at the blend. All I did was put foundation. Foundation, I used my Revlon Colour Stay foundation. This is in the colour 410 Cappuccino, so I actually mixed caramel and cappuccino together to get my shade. So cappuccino is actually like the shade up, or shade half. Like it's actually the shade up from me, I'd say. It's just that caramel's too yellow, hence why I can't use it. Anyways, this is basically one shade darker than I am. And I find that for HD lace this works, HD transparent lace this works quite well. When I use my actual foundation colour, the lace can come like an orangey beige colour sometimes. This makes it come out like the perfect colour. So if you struggle to get your lace tint to match using your foundation colour, try this. But then again, my friend Misha, she finds for her, she has to use her actual foundation colour, so it depends on you. But if you're like my colour and you feel like you have this issue where the lace always still looks a bit light with when you use your foundation colour for transparent lace, try go a shade up. This is 410 Revlon Colour Stay. I think, oh, I've got hair in my eye, hit in seconds. I think, considering it's my first time layering hair, I think I did a pretty good job. a pretty good job. Like obviously some bits aren't even like here, but it's fine. Like I think I did a decent job though, considering it's my first time doing it. Practice makes perfect. And I wasn't even using proper scissors, guys. These are not the scissors for it. If you want to layer your hair, use actual proper hairdresser shears. These aren't even kitchen scissors that I stole from my mum that I'm not giving back to her. So overall, I really like this hair. Love the lace. The lace is so good. Like I think what I really like about this wig the most is that the cap size is actually small. I feel like vendors send me small cap sizes, but they're not actually small. They're like adjustable to small. This is snug as hell. Like this is really snug. This is not glued. You saw me, I didn't glue this. It's really snug, which I really like. Really like. Oh, I think I look so pale. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention, I did dye this hair. I dyed this hair jet black using the Garnier Olear. This is the best brand, by the way, for dyeing my wigs. I've tried different cheap alternatives. It's not cheap. This isn't cheap. I think it's like 2 packs of this cost you £12. I think they're always doing a deal at Tesco and Superdrug. You get 2 for £12. But guys, this stuff is really good for dyeing hair. Well, jet black anyway. I don't know what other colours, but for black hair dye, I recommend this. It leaves your hair in the best condition. Look at the shine, look at the body, and it just has a nice black colour that doesn't fade. I use like a blue black, so this is black sapphire. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a new one. And it's like a black with like a blue tint to it to make it really jet black, which I am loving. I don't know if you guys can catch it on camera, but this is black, which is just how I like my hair. So yeah, throw that side note in there as well. But yeah, that is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna go take some pictures now. Check out Asteria hair on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Links for everything will be in the description box. Anything that I've used as well will be in the description box. Bye.